Hello YouTube. What's up everybody? This is your boy Francis. Well, what is going on now is BYND, Beyond Meat, the fake meat. This is not a recommendation to buy or to sell, it's just for entertainment purposes only. However, I want to recap on BYND and what I'm expecting BYND to do the coming day, and how I traded BYND today. So as per BYND, take a look at the daily chart, right? You see that price is right above the 200 moving average and with an uptrend intact, right? So the price is supporting this uptrend. So we will continue to push higher until this uptrend is broken. Until we break this trend, I don't think there is a reversal on BYND. However, you have to note that there is also resistance on BYND. So how did I play BYND today? Now, if you look at BYND, you will notice that this stock is trading like a penny stock. So what happened? What really happened with BYND? So what happened was there was a news that came out. Beyond Meat's shares are actually trading higher following launch of its Beyond Meatballs in Australia through a distribution at Coles. So that was a catalyst, you know, to me it was a catalyst, right? Aside the fact that it's a meme stock as well, right? So because of that, I figured that, you know, we will get the 160 spot that you know, shooting for, because the first spot was 155 and then 160. I was trying to see if we can get the 155 on Friday, but we couldn't get the 155 on Friday, and now we got the 155 today. Okay, I had some call options on BYND that I actually sold this morning, right? This one was the first one, right? I bought two at $390, which is $390, right? So it will expire on 6/18. Pretty much I saw that there was what I call like a mini crash and, you know, a glitch within Robinhood system, because whenever I'm using Robinhood, I'm using Robinhood to actually trade some, you know, some risky play, right? So I saw this and I said, okay, the price is somehow is going to push higher, but plus with the news, of course, right? So I decided, okay, to just hold on to it and see, because for me, I actually don't sell my options or buy new options as soon as the market opens. I actually wait, you know, between 3 minutes to 5 minutes before I start, you know, executing trade. Okay, either buying options or selling options, it doesn't matter, but I wait for that 5 minutes volatility to settle just a little bit. Some people wait 30 minutes, but for me 30 minutes is just too much. So I waited for 5 minutes, and all of a sudden we started pushing higher on BYND, right? And I called it out on my stock tweet as well, because I have a stock tweet where I post what I'm thinking and all those good things on stock tweet. So I made a note and said, hey, you know, as long as this trend is intact, I am good, right? So guess what happened? We actually broke the trend. So because we broke this trend around this area right here, okay, and we have a support here, so I decided, okay, let me take one of my position off the table, and I took one of them off the table. Okay, I took this one off the table around $11 or so, and I took it just right off, because $11 is 1100 if you multiply by 100, right? So I chatted this up on my, as time goes on, I chatted this on my 10 minutes, 15 minutes chat. So I said, okay, the price is either gonna break up or break down. And guess what happened? I got tricked, right? So the price actually broke down, and I got really pissed, because, you know, I was expecting it to push higher based on bullish momentum. This because this is an ascending triangle, but we failed the ascending triangle, we failed VWAP, and tried to consolidate around VWAP, but we couldn't, and then we just sold off right to these 200 moving average. So what I'm trying to say is, I think there's still momentum on BYND. There's still the opportunity for BYND to continue to push upwards, right? So if you look at let's say the 1 hour chart, you're going to see that we are really holding this area as a support. My support is going to be 151. That is going to be my support. Anything outside that, I'm just going to get out of BYND, the remaining part of the options, right? If you look at this, we are developing more like a trend right now. So this trend, I'm going to keep an eye on this trend and make sure this trend holds. Have a fantastic one, guys. Peace and love. Bye bye, guys.